Alright, so today I'm going to do the first startup of my upstairs trane XR14 heat pump in heat mode for heating season 2024-2025. That one's spinning down because I just did that one. And the video got a little long, so I wanted to cut it into two. So yeah, I'm going to do this one now. I'm going to set the camera on this system. And I'm going to go fire it up. Alright. Found that one. And you gotta tell that it's in heat mode. It sounds different. Hold. Better than that one. That's like 30 degrees. Good. Here. 92 degrees. Looking good. Alright, I'm gonna go shut it off because it's like 67 degrees, so they don't really need to run right now, but this morning they will. I mean, in the morning they will, so yeah. I'm gonna go shut them off and shut it off. Wait, actually, nah. It's just gonna be a startup video. Yeah, there's no reason to get it shutting off. Because you guys all know what it sounds like on shutdown. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.